Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Indus Trader YouTube channel and welcome you all to the post market analysis. And this is a terrible Tuesday for majority of members. Yes, there are particular reasons for this fall, and also we're going to discuss one after each. And before that, in the opening itself, India tops Hong Kong as world's fourth largest stock market, but thereafter you clearly see the fall. And if you see, let's talk about Nifty. Let's talk about closing first. And Nifty dropped 333 points and closed at 21,238, and Bank Nifty dropped 1043 points, almost near to 2.26%, and closed 45,015. And coming to Sensex, dropped 1.52%, that is 1082 points, and closed 70,341. And especially Nifty, lot of members have been expecting 21,300 would hold till the last time, but that have completely given up, and especially opening gains has also given up. And if you see in result, if we talk about VIX also, you can clearly see the rise in the VIX as well. So now, before talking all these reasons, let's see the previous levels which we discussed. Thereafter we see the levels, and in the ending of the video we talk about the intraday and further price of plan of action, and thereafter we will end the video. And coming to, if you see, we opened the gap up and straight forward, and the surprising thing here, if you see, there is no decent or at least we cannot say no even retracement in this particular fall. And even if I switch to the lower time frame, you can clearly see this is a straightforward fall. Yes, this minor, we cannot call this as a retracement, because at least there is no point of calling retracement here. We have seen a trendy market, and completely all the levels are breached out. If you cleanly observe in the morning itself, in the opening time, in our Telegram channel, if you see, we have updated this today. Ideally, the best situation is to wait till 11 a.m. and then do analysis before do analysis. For beginners I have given this, and for the longs also I have given a label. This is very important for the longs, but that label is breezed out, and thereafter you can see the fall both in Nifty and Bank Nifty. And here at starting, yes, aggressive buyers tried and they have given up, and there are also other reasons. And at 10:20 you can clearly see, as per the plan in the video, sell on rise rewards, and you can see the sell on rise. Actually we did not get any rise at all, but complete fall. And thereafter these are the updates we have shared. And meanwhile, yes, I have tried for some of the retracements, you can clearly see, but nothing is worked out. And but especially this is a very good, at least personally for me, because from the starting at 10:20 we have decided that, and thereafter we have booked very good profits. But it's not a so good day for the Z Entertainment. We're going to also discuss that one after each. We're going to discuss almost near to 4 to 5 reasons. Thereafter we will do our we will see our technical levels for tomorrow. First, let's start with the Z, because lot of buzz in the Z, because you know the merger of Sony and Z. This is not about today, it started somewhere near before 2 years, and still after all of this 2 years of wait, the merger deal is cancelled. And thereafter, if you see, especially Z Entertainments, coming week we have results of this Z Entertainments as well, but the worst fall of its life, you can see almost near to 32% drop in the Z Entertainment. And yes guys, one who are asking whether we should hold, buy or sell, all these sort of things, Z Entertainment in short term, I'm nowhere looking correction in this. Yes, might be correction or consolidation at these lower areas, but yes, as I said again, market will be looking for the results of next week. So Z Entertainment or this sort of things, especially in the HDFC as well, we have shared a label to our Wealthcraft members, even that is breezed. we're going to talk about that in a few minutes. And especially coming to Z Entertainment, there are a lot of things you can see, but I'm planning to make a PDF on this and I will upload in our Telegram channel. And if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel, so make sure you join, link is in the description. So especially if we are talking about the fall, let's see the index mover so that you get a very clear cut picture on this. If you see the supporting of Nifty 50, ICICI Bank, Airtel, Sunpharma, Cipla, very selected stocks. And if you see, just come below, the giant stocks in the weekly analysis also we have discussed, without the support of HDFC and Reliance, it is very tough to break or move further in the Nifty. If you want, you can watch weekly analysis which we shared yesterday. So especially these both Nifty especially Reliance and HDFC almost contributed 50% in this particular falls. Okay, so now let's discuss about Bank Nifty. So if you see Bank Nifty, let me shift to Bank Nifty. Except ICICI Bank, everything is in red. So despite of positive, is this fall we have got from the global markets? Not exactly, because see, in the opening we have Wall Street, almost you have seen they are closing on all-time highs, and with that positivity we have opened positive, and thereafter, despite of positive momentum in the global markets, our banks, oil and gas, FMCG and metal stocks, especially these four sectors have dragged Nifty. And especially there are only selected, as I said, selected sectors that are pharma, as well as you can clearly see here, pharma as well as IT. Only this both are the sectors which have stood in the Nifty 50. And just you can imagine, if there is no ICICI and especially some pharma stocks, then obviously you can experience very good fall, even worst than this particular situation. So now coming to HDFC and Reliance, we should talk, because these two are the reasons for the fall. Especially what are the reasons we are going to talk? Among them, these are the major reasons. So along with not only HDFC or not only Reliance, along with this, there are also other companies also corrected today. If we talk about banking sectors, then IDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Punjab National Bank, AU Small Finance as well as SBI, all these are also contributed in the fall. And coming to other sectors in the oil and gas, IOC, HPCL, Adani Total Gas, Oil India, ONGC and BPCL, these are also the stocks which contributed in the fall. Now coming to, let's talk about the reasons one after each. The first reason, as I said, HDFC Bank almost 3% correction, because the reason, if you see, lot of members, one who are usually, you see, whenever a quality stock is correcting, usually investors are interested to take our average or like they to add the quantity, but this case is not applying for the HDFC Bank, and you can see 3% again fall. From the result point of view, if you see, almost near to 14% fall in the HDFC, being the weightage stock in the Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. If this stock is not performing, then we may not expect indices to perform good. And coming to Reliance, something new. If you see, Reliance 2% down, it's completely fine. But coming to Citigroup have downgraded Reliance to the neutral. So this added negativity to the other stocks which we discussed just before. We discussed about oil and gas stocks. This negativity transferred to that stocks as well. And coming to third reason, SEBI stands on the ownership norms. If you see, recently SEBI released FPI ownership norms, which also affected the FIIs to correct their positions, because they need to adjust according to the norms, so which also increased the selling. This might be also one of the reason for the fall. And coming to the fourth reason, if you see FIIs and DIS data in cash market, in Sensible website, you come to cash market, and if you click on monthly, you can clearly see the January 2024 FII's net at present minus 23,584 crores. FIIs are also consistently selling in our market, so this is also one of the reason. But yes, usually in recent times I am saying whatever the selling we are getting from FIIs are completely absorbing by the mutual funds, that is DIAs. So this is what not impacting market much, but still they are continuously selling. This is also one of the reason. And the fifth reason, if we talk about the fifth reason, lot of analysts, you can say analyst or research firms, have released one of the article. It is from Geo Financial, I think so, but in that clearly they have mentioned that Indian markets are continuously growing, and majority of sectors and stocks are at overvaluation, and retailers are not even thinking about the valuation. This is some sort of risk. So that's the reason, even that of the reason we have seen some profit booking as well. And apart of all this, there are also some of the issues which I have discussed in the weekly analysis in very clear manner. If you have not watched, then I highly recommend you to go and watch that situations, which will help you out, because there are all majority of data points and what are the concerns we have ahead in this week, everything we have discussed in that video. If you have not watched that video, this is the video, you should watch it. And if you have not yet subscribed our channel, make sure you subscribe our channel. If you like my efforts at any part of this video, then make sure you like the video and show your support. And at the end of the video I will have a bonus tip as well, so make sure you watch till the end. So now let's move to the analysis. Okay, so now if you see, we have clearly discussed about these particular levels, right? If you remember, we have discussed about these both levels. Until and unless above closing above this particular red line, we have discussed that we are looking Nifty as short, and bank nifty we are avoiding, and hopefully you understand why we have avoided. And yes, Nifty at present what I am looking at is 21,060. So tomorrow I am expecting a gap down opening, and I have carried some short positions as well. So I am expecting, but if it opens opposite, see, market is dynamic and market is supreme, everyone knows that. And if it is opening, then I am looking at 21,474 as a resistance as of now. Before that, you can watch out this level 21,366, because if you see today, it almost there is no retracement as we discussed, but still at this area they at least holded for some time. So I mean, this is an important area, because recently if you see, we got a movement from these areas only. So might be market expected to be support this, but still the negativity, because you see all the reasons which I have explained you now, everything, if you combine everything, then that shows when already stocks or indices are at the top, and when you are getting some cluster of reasons, then obviously people tentative to book their profits. And yes, or even booking profits or not to entering the market at that high. So this usually happens. But again, I am repeating here, I am seeing in long term or in nearby long term basis, I am still bullish on our Indian growth and as well as stock markets. So yes, this is a correction, and corrections are healthy for the markets. And yes, on the short term and for intraday basis, as I am already discussed 3 days before, I am changing my bias to short. But yes, again, for the long term and perspective, I am still bullish on the Indian markets as well as our Nifty as well. So now this is our trade plan for tomorrow. And coming to bank nifty, so bank nifty, if you see, it's almost closed near to this area, and tomorrow I am looking 45,383, this area I am looking at, and exact levels will be shared in the Telegram channel. And the surprise which I said, the much I am not discussing about bank nifty, because as I said, for few days I am still, up to this volatility gets settled, I am still wanted beginners to just stick with to the index which have less volatile, because you see only banks can drag bank nifty or like pull. So that's the reason you may see a quick volatility in this. Coming to nifty, even if you take today's scenario, IT and pharma sectors, as well as little bit of one stock that from the bank, that is ICICI Bank, this holded one end, and other end is dragged completely from Reliance as well as HDFC. But still you have that probability. So I personally want little days to keep it aside, but still if you want, then let me know in the comment section. From tomorrow you will get complete analysis on nifty as well if you want, or else for some days we will be focused on nifty only. So hope you understood. And yes, coming to the surprise and the bonus tip which I have said in the middle of the video, that is at tomorrow 9 a.m. we have live in our Telegram channel, and this is our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined, so I highly recommend you to join this channel, because all the updates I usually post in this channel. And 9 a.m. tomorrow we have live, and we're going to take the live and discuss pre-market with the US closings and whatever opening and opening trade. We're going to also discuss that in the Telegram channel, and live will be only in the Telegram channel, so make sure you join that. So see you in the next video. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.